Science time with Bina and Esti. In today's episode, we'll be talking about how magma collects in underground chambers and comes out to the surface using a principle of heat energy. Esti?
In places, the rocks in the upper part of the mantle do melt completely. This melted rock, called magma, collects in huge packets called magma chambers. The magma rises because it is hotter and lighter than the semi-liquid rocks. Volcanoes form above magma chambers when the hot magma can rise to the surface. The second project demonstrates this principle using hot and cold water.
Okay, Bina. What do you have in there, Bina?
Cold water.
And what's inside that big jar?
Color, food coloring, and hot water.
So hot water is in the little chamber that's going to represent the magma chamber, and you're going to be putting cold water on the outside?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what happens. Go get another jar. Another water. Go get another pitcher with cold water in it. Yeah. Okay, let's go for a second one. Quick. What's going to start happening?
It's getting bigger on the bottom.
Oh, but how is it coming out of the holes?
Because the cold water is making it.
Do you see the hot water? The hot water is traveling out of two vents at the top of the hot water jar and pouring itself into the cold water. Itzik is going to come with a little bit more cold water so we can see the patterns as it's going. So watch what happens. The colored hot water is rising from the holes because the hot water is lighter, or it's lighter or less dense than the cold water. Magma also rises this way because it's less dense than the semi-liquid rock that surrounds it. Okay, stop for a minute, Bina, and let's watch how the water comes out of the holes, out of the vents. Do you see it?
Yeah.
These are the same sort of patterns that would come out of a magma chamber. Isn't that neat? You see the patterns? It almost looks like the colored parts are dancing.
Going round and round. It's going in. It's like making steps, going round and round. Like a tower.
Wow, that's so cool. What an amazing experiment. Everybody give Bina and Esti a hand. Yay! Stay tuned for more episodes of Esti and Bina's Science Time.